Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Park on level ground and engage the parking brake before you begin. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent short circuits and accidental airbag deployment. Gather tools now: a 10 mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, trim removal tool, and work gloves. Wear eye protection and keep a flashlight handy for visibility. Allow the fog lamp assembly and surrounding engine area to cool for at least 10 minutes to avoid burns. Keep small containers ready for screws and clips to prevent losing any hardware. Start by turning the steering wheel away from the side you are removing for full access. Remove the lower splash panel by undoing 3 10 mm bolts and 2 plastic clips using the 10 mm socket and trim tool. Gently unclip the bumper edge near the wheel arch to expose the fog lamp housing and retainers. Locate and loosen the 2 visible 10 mm bolts that secure the fog lamp to the bumper support. Keep each fastener in a labeled container to simplify reassembly and prevent mixing parts. Before fully removing the lamp, press the release tab and disconnect the fog lamp electrical connector carefully. Inspect the connector for corrosion or bent pins and clean if necessary using a dry cloth. After disconnecting, slide the fog lamp straight out of its housing once the 2 10 mm bolts are removed. Position the replacement lamp and hand start both bolts to avoid cross-threading, then tighten them to about 6 Nm using a torque wrench for consistent clamping. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test the fog light for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.